My fellow South Africans.
Hello, sanibonani dumelang igama uZandi isibongo umfeka umalwandle lo lwandle kalwela lwezibhekane zona esihambela le kude phezulu. Do join.
Dumelang Sanmanani Bonjour. Welcome to yet another episode of Meaningful Conversations with Uzandi Mfeka. You always know that this is the space of learning. This is the space where graduates gather to have, to have a lesson and gain more information on this life thing, because our purpose and our aim is to help each other, to navigate this life thing together. So welcome graduates. It's yet another lesson. It's just another session, another educational one. But before I forget, do not forget that on the 28th of June, we are coming to you live from the Johannesburg Theatre, where we'll be introducing ourselves formally to you as the Meaningful Conversations with Uzan Mfeka. On this day, we'll be having a lot of lessons concerning the gender-based violence that is always been directed to the LGBTQI community. Hence, on the day, we have Dominic Zaga, we have Alabasta Zwane, we have Simon the Beauty Boy, and our MC of the day is Black Chama. And tickets are available from me. If you want a ticket from me to go and attend this event, the simple rules that you need to follow: subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification bell, drop down a comment down below on the comment section that is saying live at Joburg Theatre. Screenshots, once you have screenshot all of that, DM this to me via TikTok, via Facebook, or even via Instagram, and then I will give you your free ticket to come to the event. Another way of hooking up with the tickets: follow them in all their lives on TikTok. Some of them might be giving away free tickets to this event. So if you are really interested, you are in the closet, you don't know how to come out, you are in or out amongst, you're not sure, community, LGBTQI plus community, if you have an interest at all, you've got questions, you want to navigate this life thing with them, and you want some little bit of an education and tips from them, because we know that they are out and they are proud of being what they are. So just follow them. They might hook you up with the tickets. But other than that, nothing from Mahala. Just give us a donation and then you'll get a ticket via the Johannesburg Theatre website. Amongst other things that I do that people don't know is the fact that I love the month of June because I'm the mother of many. Amongst other things that I do, I'm a philanthropist, I am an activist, and amongst my philanthropic work, I am managing a team of young girls who are playing soccer. Amazing, beautiful girls who are talented. I see these girls grow every day. I love them. I am helping them to nurture their talent. I'm helping them to excel academically, because it's not only on the field that we help, we also help them do different things. So in the month of June, I'll just drop down some of the work that I do with them, so that you can actually, maybe if you're somebody who's got interest, who loves sports and who love women development, especially in sport, you can just hook me up. You can just DM me in any of my social media platforms, and then you can lend us your helping hand. Any kind of support is welcome. It's either you have a kit that you are not using, either you want to give us cash, either you want to give us a skill, even that we accept, because we are open-minded like that. Thank you so much. If you have been following us, if you have been learning with us, I do appreciate your comments. I do appreciate you subscribing. I do appreciate you liking the content. And I also do appreciate, let me challenge you today. Today is a different episode. We are having this open conversation about everything and anything that happens in our lives, because we are open-minded like that. Let me challenge you. What else would you like to see on this podcast? What kind of topics? You already know by now that we aim to inspire, we aim to educate, and we also support upcoming artists, businesses, and at the same time, we help each other. We call it the school of life, It's a university of life. And when you call it a meaningful conversations with Uzan Mfeka, that is where the lessons are happening, because this is a university of life on its own. We are navigating this life thing together, because ayikho lula impilo. It's not easy. I will appreciate your comments if you can just drop down below. What is it that you like to see more on the channel? and I am going to appeal to you that if you like to come into the channel and share your challenges that you have faced through gender-based violence, through anything that has been a challenge in your life, please do come through. We will appreciate that, and let us have your story and let us see, most importantly, how can we help you navigate life better? How can we help you after you have shared your story with us? But ezinkulu ke ezenzakalayo these days is that we voted, guys. Hey, we voted. These elections were different. These elections because even the reports ayasho ukuthi a lot of people had interest in these elections. First of all, a lot of young people came out to vote. They registered for the first time. And a lot of people who were not voting before, who were eligible to vote, registered and they were willing to come out. And there are many reasons that are actually causing that. So these elections, guys, were set to be the biggest elections. They were equivalent. They were big in such a way that they were equivalent to the 1994 elections. And the reason for that is that, number one, a lot of young people were voting. Ama-2Ks amaningi bevota for the first time. Okwesibili, there were a lot of new political organizations, so we had a buffet of political parties, unlike before where it was either DA, IFP, ANC, and then later on came EFF, and a lot of people were against EFF for a number of reasons, because you know why. If you're South African, you know why. I don't even have to dwell on the reason why, especially middle age and people who are much older. They really didn't prefer having EFF, so they rather preferred not to vote at all rather than to go and vote for EFF. And we saw a booming of MK, which is one thing that made me do this quick one today, this quick episode, unplanned one. MK came out of nowhere. Boom, it's here. Within 6 months, MK is in the members. And obviously we know because these members were following former President Zuma. And President Zuma, we know him from being an ANC member from a very, very long time. Lo muntu suke exile, lo muntu uwile khuzuke shizila ne-ANC for a very long time. And hence, even at the time when there were cases, ANC bemani mchacha ngawo, what I want to say is MK, brand new as it was, scooped EKZN as a province. Here is the video of I don't know why I keep saying president, former President Zuma mocking people just after the results were released. Other than that, a lot of political organizations are not happy with the results. Let us make this an engaging session, an engaging lesson. I would like you to drop down your comment, because a lot of things are happening. People are saying a lot of things. We are all confused in many different ways in our own capacities. Now, inkinga yami ila, I don't have a problem with MK, but inkinga yami isekutheni. President Zuma has been with ANC for decades and decades, since emncane ezebaleke ehamba eya kwi-exile bese loko ANC member. I don't remember a single day on the media where we were told ukuthi former President Jacob Zuma has resigned, officially as an ANC member. The only statement that I am going to put up here, was a statement ngesikhathi sebeqandulisana bekhiphana befaka ney'nkantolo bebophana nani nani. Ngaleso sikhathi ufikile Mbalula came and said they do no longer recognize former President Jacob Zuma as an ANC member. But angikhumbuli khona la yena himself ethi, I have officially resigned as an ANC member. Ibambe lapho-ke, that's point number one. If you have watched or read different news, you are more than welcome to drop down a comment below and say, go to this link. Here is what I tried. Here is the statement, official statement that is coming from Jay-Z. La asho khona ukuthi ngiyaresigna kwi-ANC. Jiggy, ANC tried to force him, but could not succeed. Jiki Jiki usekaqale i-political organization yakhe. And then khona malapho there is somebody else, Khumalo, who came and claimed ukuthi hayi uJacob Zuma there is forging, there is what, i-MK eyama kusiyona kaZuma. At first uma kuvela ngabona engazi ukuthi akafuni ukubonakala ukuthi ukhona kwi-MK, but later on obviously ke kwagcina kwenzekile. Now ama-results ayaphuma, they are not happy about the results. Okay, as much as ama-results ephuma, ekugcineni kosuku vele i-ANC idliwe i-ANC, kuzofanele ukuthi izifundise ukusebenza namanye ama-political organization. Who is it gonna be? EFF, IFP or MK? On top of that, abafunanga ukuthi uFormer uJay-Z angene eParliament, kodwa i-organization kuthiwa eyakhe. Now ipolitics it's got this tendency of being a dirty game, but inkinga yami ila. In each and everything eyenziwa abantu bepolitiki, we are always pawn in their chess game. They are queens, they are kings, and this is what always needs to be protected whenever you are playing a chess game. And now we are always pawns that are always moving around to protect the big shots. Now, how do we know ukuthi former president angeke jikijiki ngelinye ilanga athi mina ngangazange ngirizane kwi-ANC, i-MK sizosuke iyohlangana ne-ANC kube into eyi-one again, baxolelane ngamanye amazwi? Angeke yini kwenzeke kanjalo? Hayi ngiyayibuzela nje. It's an engagement session. If you want to engage me on this, you are more than welcome. Let us engage decently. No vulgar, no insult. Engage nje decently. Angeke yini kwenzeke ngelinye ilanga baxolelane laba, ngoba phela lo akazange aresign formally. Baxolelane bajike bathi jikijiki bayihlanganise bayaqala phansi baphusha into yabo. Whenever the big bulls fight, what suffers the most is the grass where the bulls are standing. I do have a problem with the fact that Jay-Z akaza resign officially. I do have a problem that umzwane bexolelana angeke sazi siyobona sebexolelene. And when, as you are excited, if you claim ukuthi uhambile wayovota and you have made a change because you have actually chose the MK, I'm not saying wrong ukuthi uvotele MK, mhlambe nami ngivotele, kodwa how, let me put myself in there, how do we know ukuthi le MK esivotele angeke isijikele ngelinye ilanga? Uma sithi sivotela sifuna ushintsho, we are tired of i-ANC. Kuyimanje mina ngikhuluma izolo the whole night besihlele ebumnyameni bekune tornado and besihlele ebumnyameni ugesi amanzi engekho, and amanzi ke sekwabayi it's a norm, so we are even used to it. Siphila ngamanzi ama-water cans. If you cannot afford to dig your own borehole and you are lucky enough to stay in a place where you can actually be able to source water from underground, usenkingeni if you don't have money and resources to do that. Hayi ngoba amanzi engekho, we do have water because ayaphuma makuthanda bona. Mabengafuna waphuma. If they are befuna ukufezekisa their political agenda yalamathenda yalabantu bamavatekar, amanzi awaphumi. Kodwa mzwane befunile ayaphuma, bayasidedelela nje. Makukhisimusi bayasipha kusho ukuthi kusuke kukhisimusi bethi hayi ziyekeleni lezi zinto azi-enjoy. Ake nizixolele. Nalaba bamavaterikani nabo bahambile bayodla ukhisimusi nabantu nemindeni yabo emakhaya, so banikezeni amanzi. How do we know that these two ngeke baxolelane ngelinye ilanga sisale sinje? Kade nisajabulela ukuthi kune-MK izokwenza umehluko, izwe libuyile. Neqiniso kangakanani ukuthi ilizwe libuyile? Labantu laba mhla bexolelana, uma sebexolelana bayokubiza yini wena bazothi sesiyaxolelana? Kwenza mahluko muni ukuthi wena ube excited ukuthi uhambile wayovotela i-MK. I-MK akuyona i-ANC, ngoba ngokubuka kwami mina kwamanje kusaseyinto eyodwa. Labantu laba banezimfihlo zabo zakudala, banama-agenda wabo wakudala. Labantu they are going to the parliament ukuyosusisa lezi zabo bese lezi ziyaglowa zithi. Hayi ngiyazibuzela nje, angilwi namuntu, It's my opinion because Panami, I'm a South African and I am entitled to my opinion. It's a freedom of speech that is granted to me by Constitution 1996 Act 106. It's the freedom of speech as long as I am not violating your rights, as long as I am not insulting and belittling you. And it's, I guess, ikhulumeni. Comment down below. How do you feel about MK? Isn't MK still MK akuyona i-NC? That's my own view. Ngibone ngathi MK kusase i-ANC. Why are we excited ukuthi kune-MK ezokwenza umehluko? Uma ukuthi i-ANC ibihlulekile over the past 30 years, yini MK ezofika iyenze eyahlula i-ANC i-MK esuka kuyona? Just an engagement. Another political science class. Let us engage. It's been striking me, it's been bugging me, and I've been wanting to take it out, and I've been wanting to share this with you. Let us talk, let us engage. What is the excitement and hype about MKE when the same MK is ANC? When the same MK comes from the same ANC that we are complaining about for the past 30 years, has not done anything for the poor people, but except for the fact that the poor remain poorer while the richer became richer. The day uJay-Z evuka ethi ngixolelene ne-ANC sesiyabuyelana sihlangana wonke la mavote eninginike wona we-MK ngiwabuyisela kwi-ANC sesoba iqembu elilodwa again baze bayishintshe negama wena uyothini. Because uma ubuka nje i-history yase-South Africa vele even ngisho abo-EFF laba babuya kuyo i-ANC o-UDM bonke maningi ama-political organisation abekabuya kuyo i-ANC okwabantu abaxatshanwe nabo ngandlela thile lapha kwi-ANC baningi. So what will stop them from doing this? This is our country, guys. It's our it's our constitution that is giving us a right to voice our opinions. Comment fairly, comment decently, comment respectfully. What is your view about impi ephakathi what is your view about impi ephakathi kwe-MK ne-ANC and ucabanga ukuthi iyogcinaphi? With that being said, this is Umalwandle signing off from this short, quick episode. Please enjoy it and please engage with me. Don't forget, asihlangane at the Joburg Theatre on the 28th of June because ufanele. I love you.